Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Paperspace login issues, account and GPU errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login issues with Paperspace, we're here to help you through the process of troubleshooting. First, ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from accessing your account. Next, check the Paperspace status page. Sometimes, server outages can impact your ability to log in. Verify your username and password. Make sure you're entering the correct details. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password feature on the login page. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can help resolve issues caused by stored data. If you're still having trouble, try logging in using a different browser. This can help identify if the issue is browser-specific. Disable any browser extensions. Some extensions may interfere with the login process. If you're using a VPN, try disabling it. VPNs can sometimes cause connectivity issues with certain services. For GPU-related errors, make sure your Paperspace instance is running. Check your dashboard to confirm the status of your instance. Try restarting the instance if it appears to be down. This can often resolve minor issues. Ensure that you have selected the correct GPU type for your needs. Different tasks may require different GPU specifications. Review the Paperspace documentation for any recent changes to their platform. Updates can sometimes affect how you log in or use your account. If none of these steps resolve the issue, consider reaching out to Paperspace support. Provide them with details of the problem for more targeted assistance. Follow these steps, and you should be on your way to resolving your Paperspace login issues. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.